Besties, what if I told you there's a real chance to move abroad with a visa sponsorship and get hired in as little as few weeks? No scams, no guessing, just genuine job openings that want you, skilled or unskilled. Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick with me to the end because I'm about to share exactly how you can grab this life-changing opportunity step by step. Trust me, this video will save you time, money, and stress. So keep watching. If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Peace. I'm so glad you found me. On this channel, I share everything relocation that will help you move, work, and study abroad. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button so that I never miss an update. And if you are an existing subscriber, you know how we do it here. Real, legit info, verified links, okay? So like this video so that you can promote it to a wider audience. Subscribe if you have not already done so, and comment. I reply to all of them. Share this video. You don't know who might need this info. Alright. Today's video is packed with verified info about a country actively hiring international workers across many sectors with visa sponsorships that could get you moving in weeks. I know how overwhelming it can be to find trustworthy opportunities, so have done the homework for you. Ready to learn the secrets? Let's dive in. This country is facing a serious labor shortage, which means more jobs for people just like you. Whether you have special skills or are ready to work in demand entry-level roles, then you are fit to go. They have thriving healthcare, hospitality, agriculture, logistics, and construction sectors, all urgently seeking international workers. The government and employers have teamed up to fast-track visa sponsorships so relocations could happen in as little as 3 weeks. That's faster than many expect, isn't it? So now, let me break down the industries hiring now. We have the healthcare industries that are recruiting for nurses, care assistants, and support workers in public and private facilities. We have the hospitality team that are recruiting for chefs, kitchen assistants, hotel staffs in bustling cities. And if you are good in agriculture, they are recruiting now seasonal farm laborers, fruit pickers from spring through fall. Logistics and warehousing people are recruiting as well. They are recruiting delivery drivers, packers, forklift operators. Then those in construction trades are also recruiting electricians, plumbers, carpenters, skilled trades in high demand. And the best part, these roles come with visa sponsorship from legitimate employers licensed by the government, meaning you can legally work and live with full support. Okay, so here's what you need to know about visa types. The skilled worker visa is the most common route. It's for those with job offers in qualifying skilled roles. For certain seasonal or temporary jobs, the seasonal worker visa or temporary worker visa may apply, especially in agriculture. Okay, so to qualify, you generally need a valid passport, a confirmed job offer from a licensed sponsor, proof of English language ability. The requirement may vary, okay? Relevant qualifications or experience for skilled jobs. Sometimes a TB test is needed or a police clearance. Once your employer issues a certificate of sponsorship, you apply online, submit biometrics, and wait for the decision, which is often within 3 weeks, sometimes even faster with priority service. If you have been around this channel, our WhatsApp channel is now live, and if you want to go into the healthcare sector, you have to have at least a certificate, and I made that easy for my subscribers. Okay, links to free healthcare courses is in our WhatsApp channel. Check the link in our community. Okay, do not miss that. All right, and also beware of scams. You have to always apply through verified job portals. I've shared this before, so here are some trusted platforms. NHS Jobs, for those in healthcare, you can check this out. Alright, Total Jobs, Indeed UK, CV Library, UK government jobs portals, okay? So when you're searching, use keywords like visa sponsorship, skilled worker visa, or international applicant welcome. You would definitely get updates from them. Okay, check every job description to confirm the employer is a licensed sponsor. You can verify this on the official government website. Okay, I've shared this video before, you can check that out. Okay, I'll also put the link in this video as well. Okay, so here are the different ways and the different things you need to do to boost your chances. Okay, you have to prepare a UK styled CV tailored to the role you need to apply. In this channel, I've shared and given a UK format CV style. Okay, check the video. I'll be pinning that as well in my end screen. Okay, check that video and make sure that your CV is styled just the way it is in that video. All right, then write a clear and personalized cover letter. Okay, if you need help with that, join my channel membership and I should be able to tell you exactly how to apply and write clear personalized cover letter. Okay, then you apply directly through the employer site or verified portal that I've listed before or in this video. Okay, also check LinkedIn so you can see verified, because you're actually connecting with one-on-one to potential employers. Okay, do not skip or miss any part of this video. The fourth one to boost your chances is that prepare for interviews. Many of these are now done online. All right, collect necessary documents, certificates, references, English test results. When offered the job, your employer starts the visa sponsorship process. Okay, remember, never pay for a job or visa services upfront. Legit employers don't ask for money. Okay, so this is your moment, a golden opportunity to build a new life, earn better income, and enjoy a welcoming environment with strong community support. Be patient, stay informed, and apply only through official channels. The right job and visa sponsorship could be just a few clicks away. If this video helped you, smash that like button and share with your friends who need this info. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you are the first to hear about fresh opportunities like this. And if you want my full support with verified links and insider tips sent early to you, check out my membership below. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Turn on your bell icon for video coming up on Saturday, 10 a.m. UK time. You don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching, bestie. I'll see you in the next video where we keep unlocking your path to a better life abroad. Until next time, Jesus loves you and I really do love you. I am rooting for you always. Bye for now.